Okay, so this is a machine on my list of videos that was definitely way overdue. This is the Hoover self-propelled wind tunnel. I found it on the curb, actually like 8 blocks up the road from my place back in June. When I got it, it was pretty scratched up, and for some reason, I don't know what the previous owners did to it, but this whole top half of the handle release pedal was broken. So there was no saving that. So I got a new pedal in there, cleaned it up to my liking, got new belts in there. It came with that HEPA bag. And ignored a cat in the other room. Yeah, works like a champ. The same gentleman on Facebook who helped me get this commercial one going when I put the Maytag motor in it, helped me out with this one too. The transmission doesn't make any weird noises or anything. This one has the carpet hard brush roll on off. I should say I did use it on the house today because it's mostly floors, and it did a pretty damn good job. Yeah, it's almost 9:15, and I have work in the morning, so I'm going to do this quick. Here we go. I didn't even notice that until now, but I thought for a second there was a chunk missing out of the hood, but it doesn't feel sharp or anything. Maybe I don't have all my marbles. So, that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe, and eventually I'm going to do a video with this one against that one, that one there, I should say, which I'd reckon they do, and they both do a good job because they're pretty much the same thing. So, as usual, damn it, there went my glasses. Any comment? Like, comment, subscribe. I know I already said that. If you have any requests, just drop a comment below with them, and as I get time, I'll put them up for you. I'll also give a shout out so you know it's for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.